When we were given mandatory evacuation orders, our amazing staff, board of directors, and volunteers worked so hard to safely evacuate the premises. Not just once, but 3 different times.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye. Oh, yeah, you think it's fun. Bye-bye. Bye.
The birds took over board members' garages, volunteers' living rooms, and we are especially grateful to Carrie Vega of a smart garden in Ventura, who opened her doors to our feathered friends. Here they enjoyed a tranquil change of scenery. The birds have endured great stress, and they're so very happy to be home, safe to roost.
Oh, honey. The big reunion.
Hi, my love. Oh, I know.
He was very upset.
I know. It was such a stressful week. Oh, we're all going to be fine.
On behalf of the flock at the Santa Barbara Bird Sanctuary, we wanted to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who reached out to help us during the Thomas Fire.
All right, peeps. Here we have an assembly of Wonder Women.
And we are especially thankful for all of the heroic firefighters and police force who came from all over to keep our community and sanctuaries safe. If you'd like to support our sanctuary's mission or help us defray the costs of labor, transportation, and veterinary bills during the Thomas Fire, please follow the link below. And watch us rise like a phoenix from the ashes.